Right, this week we're at Slumber on the Humber, catching up with mates and having a great time. It's a very different festival to the other ones we've been at, and really good vibe. I tried to get Nikki sacrificed at a pagan drumming circle, but they only want virgins. We'll show you how to cook in your van if you don't have an oven, so definitely check that out. We'll also show you the internet package we put together that we think will allow us to keep in touch as we go travelling around Europe this winter. On top of that, we'll show you the festival, which really was good.
Right, so, got my pint. I've lost Nikki, she's off dancing in there somewhere. I reckon she's not going to be well in the morning.
So, come here.
No,
Come here.
not looking like this.
Come here.
Stop it.
Look at me.
No.
Come on. Come on.
There's cheese all up the seat.
This is why you don't drink, kids. Look at the state of it. First night giddy again. First night giddy again. Look. So we ended up, well, just up really late. And then
I don't even know what time we got home.
Well, it was well gone midnight. And then went to a drumming thing. So we just had a night with mates and stuff. It was quite chilled, wasn't it?
And then we ate full block of cheese.
Then we ate cheese when we come in. So yeah, managed to not be adults again. Long may it last. So did a gig last night as well, and I've got one this afternoon. But we'll have to take you around the festival. It's really chilled, isn't it?
Yeah, very.
It's a really, it's a shame this is the last one he's doing because it's such a chilled atmosphere. We'll have to come to that Rekindle one, won't we?
Yeah.
If there's a Rekindle one, we'll have to come to that. So anyway, catch you in a bit. So, if you haven't got an oven, or even if you have got them, they're usually pretty bad in camper vans, they're not great. But no oven, no problem, because there's an Omnia. Now, the reason I'm not tipping that up fully will become evident in a minute. So what's an Omnia? An Omnia is a little stove-top Dutch oven. How does it work? Well, the oven has a base plate. That goes on your gas. Heat comes in, circulates around that base plate. The base plate has the pan on the top. So, as you can see, it's going to circulate the heat all the way around the bottom. The rest of the heat comes through the hole in the middle, and that hits the top of the oven and reflects down. So now what you've got is a convection oven with heat underneath, heat coming up, heat on the top. And actually, I've prepared a moussaka because we've got people coming for tea later. So there's a moussaka ready and made.
So there's a silicone insert in there as well.
The silicone insert that you can get for them is really easy to clean. Doesn't stick at all.
Yeah.
So what we do is we light that later on. I'll put the bechamel on, get some cheese on, plack it in, and it works like an oven. And we've cooked Christmas dinners in it.
Full Christmas lunch.
Yep. We've done stuffed tomatoes, the Greek yemester it's called.
One of the best things I did. Oh, bread! Your bread's brilliant.
I did a bread, but the thing to remember is, if you make a loaf of bread, you're going to get a donut-shaped loaf of bread. You can make rolled calzone, so the whole thing is a rolled calzone going all the way around.
The bread you made was beautiful.
Yeah. So you can do lots of stuff with them, but they're really good. So they're really good if you've got a crap oven, or they're really good if you just don't have an oven.
I made toad in the hole in it once,
Yeah.
And Billy said, "You haven't put the lid on." I had put the lid on. My Yorkshire puddings had risen that much, they'd pushed the lid off.
Yeah. So it's really good.
Yeah, I can recommend it.
Yeah. So there you go. If you haven't got an oven, don't worry, get an Omnia. We were going to have this last night, but we ended up having burger and chips and just binning it because we got drunk. Yeah. Today I've only had 3 pints, which for me is quite good. That's 3 pints.
I've had one small can.
It's like 6 o'clock nearly. I've
Yeah,
only
I
had
know,
3
but
pints.
for God's
It's a festival.
sake. Yeah, but every weekend's a festival for us. This is the problem.
Yeah, living life to its fullest. Don't worry about it. When we go travelling, we will have to cut down the drinking, won't we?
Yes.
Or
every
else
weekend is not a party.
we'll end up like, you know, those really drunk people who've moved abroad and then lose bits of toe in their feet and stuff with diabetes and things.
It's different when you go away at weekends. You can have a good drink, and you know. But I think when we go travelling, we've got to have firm rules. You know, you can't just.
So basically, what she means is that's why we've got the Starlink. Is she thinks that basically, if we have Starlink on, I'll sit in the van and do stuff, and that 20 quid a week will stop me going to the pub.
Yeah, and it will definitely be worth it.
So, when we're travelling, to keep in touch, we've got Starlink over there, but it draws a lot of power. We've got no inverter in the van, so the plan was to use this Bluetti. So I've got the Bluetti plugged in. I've got the solar panel out. It's not that bright today, is it?
No, it's very dull.
Yeah.
We've
So
got a very faint sun.
Yeah, so I've got that going, and at the moment I'm coming in. I've got 66 coming in.
I don't know if you can see that on there.
I don't think so, and about 30 going out for Starlink. So
it's definitely power effective.
that'll run it. That'll run Starlink while we're away.
Yeah.
So jobs are good at solar power, Bluetti, Starlink, wherever we are.
Fantastic.
Well, that draws. So, put your laptop on and get 56 out. So it only doubles it, so you still get it. About 60, 70 back in.
And that's when it's not bright sunshine.
Obviously the laptop will draw a bit more when I'm doing stuff, but yeah. So I can run a laptop and the Starlink.
And charge.
While charging it.
Great.
And if there's no sun, you just use the power bank as a power bank.
Yeah, well,
because it's
chances
going to
are.
last, at 50 odd, that's going to last 14 hours doing both of those. So for a little power bank,
that's brilliant.
does the job and saves us having to spend on a converter.
Yeah, inverter.
Inverter, not a converter, an inverter. So it's a lovely little chilled out feel, so we're going to have a little look round and see what there is. I think Nikki wants a pair of wings. I have no idea why. A pair of wings, really? That's the sound of an axe being thrown.
Yeah. It's a bit of bushcraft, bit of axe throwing. I mean, what could go wrong?
I think the same's on again tomorrow.
Oof.
Well done. That was a solid one, that last one. Yeah, we get you on access.
It's worth noting this is a charity festival for men's mental health, and there was a lot of stuff on in the wellness area for men over the weekend. So it's doing good as well as being fun. You like that, don't you?
Yeah, I do. Biggest street catcher I've ever seen. Isn't it?
Yeah. Little roundhouse.
Yeah, a little roundhouse. So they must have a fire in here. Is that fire?
No.
Yeah, no it is.
Yeah, that is.
That's
But
a log
there's
burner, but there's no chimney.
But it must be for just chilling.
Yeah.
Come in here and chill.
It's like all made of mud.
Yeah, it's got bottles in for the glass as well,
Yeah.
isn't it? So it is a mud house.
It's a mud house. With glass. Oh, this so reminds me of all
If
the
we
festivals.
made a house like this, it'd have more bottles than it would mud, wouldn't it?
We'd
It'd
have
be a
a-
glass house.
Yeah.
So this is the food bit, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's still quite a lot of it around.
Foot-long breakfast dog seems to be everyone's favourite.
Yeah, there's been a lot of hot dog action this morning, isn't there?
Yeah. This is cute, though.
That's where the bands can load and offload.
Oh, they're just cute little spaces everywhere, isn't there?
Yeah.
Just cute little everywhere, just cute little spaces. Chill out zones all over the spot.
Yeah.
So that's the main hall where all the bands were. And then if you go over this way,
This is where the acoustic stage is that I was playing on.
Trying to find a chains to pull down. You're hoping there's a light.
Well, the years went by and the music
some foreign guy. Late night crying about my record machine. Dreaming of a Chevy and my old blue jeans. But they'll never kill the flow we got. Burning out to the crocodile rock. Learn fast as the weeds went past. Come on, baby, don't say maybe. We gotta find your sweet love. Don't say maybe. Take it easy, take it easy. I'm gonna do bad things to you. Work hard, sweat. I can walk out because I love you too much, baby.
It was a cracking weekend catching up with friends. There was Stuart and Andy from Stuart and Andy Vanlife, and then from my hometown, Liz and Steve from a van called Dignity. So they're both on YouTube, so head over there and check them out. Right, let's show you what the nightlife was actually like.
I think she's going to do it now.
With our new knife, hey?
I love this knife.
This is good, isn't it?
It's the best knife I think I've ever had in Van. Yeah. If only I can remember how to put it away.
Come on, I've shown you several times now.
I know, but I'm thick. That's that way.
Watch your fingers.
I can't remember how to do it. Push it that way.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you were going right.
Ah, that's it. Yeah, you just push it slightly, don't you? I keep forgetting. Bacon's in the Ridge Monkey.
Another one of our new favourite things.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Just because there's no mess, is there?
No mess. It's clean. Anywhere. It's quick. Yeah. So this morning we've had a shower. How long did we have the water on for? All of
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Lovely hot shower each, didn't we?
Yeah.
Washed my hair because it stunk of smoke from the drumming last night. Yeah. And I had enough water left to wash up as well. So.
Yeah. So next weekend we'll do a tour of the van completely.
Yeah, we'll review it.
And you can have a look at our van from head to toe and we'll tell you what we're finding.
I mean,
as we're living in it, what it's like.
Yeah, and we've used it for 6 months now.
Yeah.
And we're, as I said, a lot of the time we're doing like this sort of off-griddy stuff, aren't we? So we're getting lots of practice in.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's all in the wrist. I've seen it.
So having watched people, what are you thinking you're going to do now?
I want to learn the fire poise.
So you want to get lit fire things and start swinging them about?
Yes.
And what could possibly go wrong?
Nothing, because I'm going to learn with the other ones first. And I'm going to do it in the sea.
In the sea, so we can just dunk you when you burn yourself.
Oh,
anybody any good at fire poise? Come and give Nikki a lesson.
I need help.
No, I need help. So that was our weekend, and probably our last festival for the year. Unless anybody knows of some others. If they want free music, I'm up for it. Next for us is retirement. I think it's starting to sink in. I've literally got a week left, and then Nikki's got about a month. After that, we'll have to start planning for our big trip down south into Spain, Portugal and Morocco over winter. So if you'd like to follow us for that, hit subscribe, If anything in the video has been of any good to you, if you've enjoyed any of it, give us a big thumbs up. And if you hit the notify, you'll find out when our next vlogs are up. Until then, we'll catch you on the road.